friends, so I'm back with a new video. Hope you'll enjoy this video. Before going into this topic, let me introduce you into some words. Environment. All living and non-living things around us together form our environment. Ecosystems. The interaction between biotic and abiotic components is ecosystems. Biomes. Bio means life. Life zone consists of plants, animals and other organisms including physical environment. So now we know what is environment, ecosystems and biomes. Our interaction with natural resources is very important. The first step to preserving ecosystems is to remember that you are a part of them. But what we are doing? We are polluting our ecosystems in many ways. Come on, let's see how we are polluting our environment. This is the working model of polluted environment. Air pollution. See here, smoke coming from factories, vehicles, burning fossil fuels, add a lot of fumes that pollute the air and thus air pollution occurs. So let's take an example of burning fossil fuels. When we burn fossil fuels like decomposed plants and organisms, it discharges carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases and it traps the sun's heat and it is a chain of events and creating smog. Smog is a type of air pollution which reduces our visibility and hard to breathe, and most of you have been in Delhi and we have recently seen this. Refrigerators, ACs, jet planes release a gas called chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons are typically compounds of gases such as carbon, hydrogen, chlorine and fluorine. And these harm our ozone layer from preventing the ultraviolet rays from sun. And depletion of the ozone layer may cause diseases. And breathing polluted air over a long period of time may cause respiratory problems. So let's go to water pollution. The waste water from factories, houses, the sewage water enter to the water bodies. See here, the waste water is entering to the water bodies. And look over here, the little girl is throwing garbage into the water and she is polluting to the water. And because of this, aquatic animals and plants inside them may die. And if humans use this water, they would definitely cause diseases. And see here, the tap is not in use but still running. We are wasting the water. And also 5 to 10 million people die each year because of water pollution. So let's go to land pollution. We usually do this every day. We throw plastic, organic waste, paper, etc. in the same bin without segregation. And without segregation may not be recycled or reused. And thus they are dumped onto the land, which causes land pollution. And another major concern is when trees are cut, land is left barren for erosion. How does land get polluted when trees are cut? Land gets polluted when trees are cut because trees hold soil particles together, and when they are cut down, the fertile soil are left loosely and can easily be carried away by strong winds. And also 80% of deforestation has been done. So this is how we are polluting our environment. So how can we rescue our Mother Earth and other resources? Come on, let's see how to live in non-polluted world. Everything we use in our daily life impacts the environment, from the cell phone we use, the car we drive, the food we eat. We have seen before how we are polluting. Now let's see how to rescue our resources. Preserving ecosystem starts at home. We should dispose waste properly in the correct bins, and so we can reuse them and recycle. We have to save water. Water is the most prized resource. Why is it the most prized resource? It is the most prized resource because only 1% of the earth is fresh water and the rest is salty. So we have to save the 1%, right? We can save it by saving water, and one of the methods is called rain harvesting. The rainwater will be collected in the collector and we can filter them and send them into tanks or wells and we can drink them. And also we can filter the sewage water. As we are not throwing waste onto land and not sending waste water onto the land is very fertile and we can grow many trees as we can. So let's plant trees. Oh, and also tree is the source of oxygen and growing more trees means more oxygen and that gives a better life quality. And also from the past 2 years we were fighting with corona and we had a scarcity of oxygen. If we had planted more trees, we would have enough oxygen. Look, the water is very clean and safe to drink. As we are not throwing waste into it, the water is very clean. We can reduce air pollution by using carpooling, cycling, a public transport like bus, or even walking. And this can reduce air pollution. So let's bike, not drive. Save energy. How do we save solar energy? Sun is the resource of solar energy and we can save that energy by using solar panels and we can produce energy and we can use them for electric appliances. Oh, and also remember, Earth is the only world known as so far to harbor life. Like it or not, we can only survive in this world. So let's take a pledge that we will create an awareness and also save our environment by following these steps. So be a part of solution, not pollution. If you like this video, please share this with your friends and let's create an awareness. And also comment that which part do you prefer. Thank you.